How to block websites on iOS on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to block websites on iOS on mobile. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, what we will be focusing today is just the blocking of websites on Safari. So if you want to block websites on other web browser, then go ahead on that web browser and change the settings right there. So now, open your Settings app and then scroll down until you can see the Screen Time option. So click on Screen Time and then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. So if you cannot see this setting, then what you're going to do is to make sure first to update the iOS of your phone. So to do that, go to General, go to Software Update, and make sure to download and install the latest iOS of your phone. And then, once you have downloaded and installed the latest iOS, then now you may proceed with screen time and then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure to turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then go to Content Restrictions right here and go to Web Content. So right here, you may choose Unrestricted Access, Limit Adult Websites, or Allowed Websites Only. Also, you may add websites right here in which you may allow these websites or never allow the websites that you are going to input. So if you want to block a website, then make sure to add it under the never allow option right here. So that's it. That's how you can block websites on iOS on mobile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.